next vlog is millennialism. Millennialism. Sila yung naniniwala dun sa sila yung naniniwala na mangyayari yung end times sa isang millennia. Yun yung millennialism. Yung apocalypse o yung judgment day is mangyayari dun sa isang millennium, yung kaganapan ng isang Christian prophecy ay mangyayari during the millennium. Yun yung millennialism. And then, yun yung sa Christian, yung sa theology. Pero yung sa isa pang meaning nun, ideal society created by a revolutionary action. So, ibig sabihin, pag nagrevolusyon, millennialism ang tawag. So, may dalawang meaning. Theological at saka yung parang historical meaning ito. Parang historical and political, kasi, kailangan magkaroon ka muna ng revolution bago ka magkaroon ng ideal society. So, political and theological yung nakuha nating meaning. Dalawang meaning. So, yun lang po.